Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, called on His Royal Highness Lieutenant General Turki bin Bandar bin Abdulaziz, Commander of the Royal Saudi Air Force, and General Fayyad bin Hamid Al Ruwaili, Chief of the General Staff of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, during his official visit to KSA. On his arrival, the Air Chief was accorded a historic welcome as a smartly turned out contingent of Royal Saudi Air Force presented him Guard of Honor. During the meetings, bilateral cooperation, regional security dynamics, and future defense collaboration were discussed. Both sides expressed satisfaction with the existing cooperation and agreed to further strengthen engagement through training, operational collaboration, and exchange of professional expertise. The defense agreement between Pakistan and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia was highlighted as a powerful affirmation of mutual trust, strategic alignment, and enduring brotherly ties. Both sides agreed to broaden the horizon of collaboration by exploring new avenues of defense cooperation. The Air Chief highlighted the historic, time-tested, and fraternal relations between Pakistan and the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, founded on shared religious values, mutual respect, and strategic alignment. Chief of the Air Staff reiterated his unwavering commitment to enhancing existing ties in the realm of military-to-military cooperation through bilateral and multilateral exercises. He underscored the profound transformation of Pakistan Air Force in recent years, with particular emphasis on its evolution into a robust multi-domain force. The Air Chief emphasized that this enhanced capability, seamlessly integrating space, electronic warfare, cyber, niche technologies, and artificial intelligence domains, was decisively manifested during the May 25 conflict, reflecting PF's operational prowess, adaptability, and combat effectiveness. The Saudi defense leadership praised the robust bond of fraternity between the two brotherly nations and commended the close, enduring cooperation that exists between their respective air forces. The Saudi military leadership also praised the professionalism, operational excellence, and combat readiness of Pakistan Air Force, while acknowledging its growing indigenous capacity in the aviation and aerospace industry. Acknowledging the growing significance of multi-domain operations in addressing the complexities of modern warfare, the military leadership of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia conveyed strong interest in leveraging Pakistan Air Force's rich operational experience through enhanced joint training and operational collaboration. They also appreciated Pakistan's constructive role and efforts in promoting regional peace, stability, and security, while expressing keen interest in further expanding cooperation across diverse areas of mutual interest. The visit of Chief of the Air Staff to the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia underscores the depth and vitality of the enduring strategic partnership between the two countries. It serves as a clear testament to the unwavering commitment of both nations to further consolidate their strategic ties through enhanced cooperation in the defense and aviation sectors.